Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 10th tutorial of probability, chapter 15th of standard 10th. In last session we discussed about the playing cards, different types of cards in probability. So go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, card event example. It's example 4 from your textbook and obviously homework. So starting with the first, it's basic formula. Basic formula of probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already you know. So go to the next, it's homework answer. First question is, how many total paired face cards are there in playing cards? So there are main 3 spade face cards available. Spade Jack, spade Queen and spade King. Second, how many total diamond cards are there available? So there are main 13 diamond cards available. 8 to 10, King, Queen and Jack. Third question, how many total heart Queen cards are there available? So there is only one Queen card. Got it? So if you have any question about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Go to the next. It's example 4. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will. First question is B and S. And second question is not B and S. So starting with the first, there are total 52 playing cards. So total outcomes are 52 and possible outcomes for B and S. We have already discussed there are 4 S cards available, right? So possible outcomes equals to 4. Now probability to B and S equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 4 divided by 52. Now here 13 4s are 52. So answer is 1 divided by 13. Another question, note B and S. I am giving you just guidance, right? So you can do on note by on. I can get it, right? So second question is note B and S. Here we have total 52 cards and S cards are 4. So note S cards means 52 total minus S cards equals to note S cards. So 52 minus 4 equals to note S cards. So 48, right? Got it? I think. So it is your guidance for your homework. So go to the next. First question is, find probability to get diamond cards when we shuffled. Second, find probability to get queen diamond card when we shuffled. And third question, which is already left in example 4, right? And I already gave you guidance, right? So it's one card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will not be an S. Best of luck guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and obviously share with your friends. Bye-bye.